Hi everyone, today I'm going to do a video on another plant swap. I've been talking to my friend Sarah, or Planting with Tiny on Instagram. We have been planning to swap some plants for a while now. Since it's cold where she lives, we had to wait. She just got her plant today and I sent her a cutting of my Philodendron Silver Sword. I wish I could have sent her a bigger cutting, but I have a really small plant. I sent her that with a tiny little cutting of my Peperomia Frost. I kind of just threw that one in there. I just picked up my mail and I got her box. Look how cute. She wrote fragile and she drew a bunch of plants all over. I'm trying to see where I can actually show, but she drew some here and more there. She wrote my name really cute too, but I'm not going to show you that because it has my address and everything on it. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. Look at her card. I need to get better when I send my notes because it's always like this last minute thing and I actually package up the plant and then I end up forgetting. You can see when I did that in my last swap with Mish, and I basically had to get some random piece of paper and write on it. Yeah, so I need to do cuter things like these girls. I hope that we get to meet in person one day. Here's packaging like that. She says she threw in another cutting, but I don't know what a Chelsea cutting is. Okay, so she wrapped it up in tissue like this. Is this a Hoya? I have no idea what this is. I think I need to look this up. Wait. Oh, she did right. It is a Hoya Chelsea. How cute. Thank you. I don't have any Hoyas at all. It's like these succulent leaves. A cute little plant. It's funny because she wrote, it's been in water for a while. She's not sure if it'll grow. We'll see if semi-hydro makes it grow. All Hoyas bloom, right? Oh my goodness. This plant, I don't think I've said what it is yet, but it's kind of weird how I have like a really plant-based channel and I don't really have one of these yet, but I'm so excited. Oh my god, this is clearly a Monstera Addisoni and I didn't have one. I've been looking for it for oh my gosh, she gave me such a good cutting. Beautiful. That's a big leaf. That's a really big leaf. Holy moly. So she packaged it really well and oh my gosh. So if you follow Sarah, then you know that she has a cat named Maya who's a gorgeous cat, but apparently Maya likes to munch on Sarah's plants. So she got into this cutting, and then this right here is a Maya fenestration right there. Maya's just trying to turn everything into an obliqua. I can't believe I finally have one. So I did not like Addisonis at first. I didn't really understand why people loved it so much, and I mean, I love Monstera Deliciosas and they have the fenestrations and everything, but I didn't get the hype with this, and then it really grew on me. So I first saw it at a nursery. It was in a big hanging basket and I passed it up. It was a great price and everything, $19.99. I was like, I don't think I want it because I normally only get plants that are on my pluck it list, and then after I gave that up, I couldn't stop thinking about it and I really wanted one. So I haven't found it again, and my girl Sarah, who has an amazing lush Addisoni, she said that she would give me a cutting, and she gave me a really generous cutting. So I'm so excited for this to grow, and I'm excited about my first Hoya. I've never had a Hoya before. It's cute. It's a cute little guy. Thank you so much, Sarah, and I hope the Philodendron Silver Sword that I sent you, I hope that one grows really fast. Plant friends are the best friends. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!